welcome back to Daily Vanity. For those of you who don't know, Picks of the Month is our monthly video where we feature some of our favorite products. And if you watch on, leave a comment down below to let us know which is your favorite product and you might just walk home with it. Of all the episodes I've hosted so far, this is the one that I'm super excited about because all the products are super gorgeous and at the same time they all work like a dream. Now without further ado, let's just get to it! And first up, we have Brauhaus White Focus. You probably already know Brauhaus as the expert in all things related to your brows. And now, they want to take good care of your eye area as well. They've just launched the White Focus, which is a highly effective, lightweight eye cream. So it promises to do 3 things for you. Lift hooded eyelids, banish creases, and to fade dark eye circles. So use this regularly to see firmer eye contours and to achieve a wide awake look. So this product is formulated with all natural ingredients that help to strengthen, brighten and firm your skin. And if you have cracked lips or fine lines around your lips, you're gonna love this product as well because it doubles up as a lip treatment to soothe and nourish your lips. Next, we have the Barbell with Love Ampule Set. This beautiful box of ampules are from Barbell, a professional skincare brand that has a strong cult following, thanks to its reputation for creating effective products. And this box right here contains 7 best-selling ampules from Barbell, and they can be used to customize your beauty regime based on your skin concerns at the moment. Each of these ampules is formulated with a high concentration of active ingredients to deliver the most optimal and purest form of nourishment for your skin. And because they are meant for one-time use, each ampule is also formulated with less preservatives than the usual serum that you use to ensure freshness of active ingredients and fast-acting results. In other words, you can just see that as a super powerful box of skincare goodies that you can just whip out and get the skin booster anytime you want. And coming up, we have the Shu Uemura My Camo Style Collection. Aren't these the prettiest products you've seen in a while? So Shu Uemura has partnered with chic fashion label Maison Kitsune to put a daring twist on the classic camo print to create this limited edition collection that features a playful mix of colours and prints of lipstick marks and Mount Fuji. And this eyeshadow palette is definitely a standout item. It has 12 shades in 6 textures to create a variety of wearable looks. And if you're a Shu Uemura fan, you might want to get your hands on this cleansing oil, which has been given a fresh look with the limited edition prints. You can also take a look at the Rouge Unlimited Supreme Matte Lipsticks and Matte Supreme Lipsticks. These have limited edition new shades that are added to the 2 lines just for this launch, and you definitely want to check it out if you are a lipstick junkie. Next, we have the Fresh Rose Sleeping Mask. Jeng jeng jeng! I want you to take a look at this beautiful packaging. You see, it even opens up to look like a rose garden. And it's more than just an eye candy because what's inside is just as amazing, if not more amazing. This is the latest mask by Fresh, a sleeping mask that taps on the benefits of fresh roses. It's a 2-step mask that replenishes your skin with moisture lost during the day and locking it in overnight. And Fresh says that this is the most hydrating mask that the brand carries. And it smells heavenly too. You're going to feel like you're sleeping on a bed of roses whenever you use it at night. Super indulgent. And finally, we have the Drunk Elephant Get Even Kit. If you've heard good things about Drunk Elephant but haven't got the chance to try their products, then this kit is going to be the perfect item to get. This beautifully packaged kit comes with 5 best-selling products from Drunk Elephant, and all of them come in deluxe size packaging so you can try out the products before committing to investing in the full-size ones. And of course, they're perfect for packing along during your overseas trips. Then again, I'm sure some of us will get it just because of its super fun and Instagram-worthy packaging. I know I'm guilty of that. And we've come to the end of this video. Which is your favorite product? Leave a comment down below to let us know and we might just let you walk home with it. And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye! And if you're a Shu Uemura fan, Shu Uemura, Japanese Class 101. Shu Uemura. I know I'm worthy of that. I'm guilty of that. I'm worthy of that. Yes, I'm worthy of that.